Welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to create a glow gradient text effect using CapCut PC. Let's get started. Go to the Text tab and add default text to the timeline. Input your desired text and customize the text style. Scroll down and add a background. Adjust the opacity to around 60%. Next, duplicate and paste a copy overlaying the original text layer. Remove the background and add the glow effect to the text. Right-click to create a compound clip. Navigate to the video mask settings and choose horizontal. Rotate and move the mask line as needed. Add some feathering to create a smooth glow gradient effect. You can also add keyframes to make the glow effect dynamically change over time. And there you have it. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.